Hello. So today I am going to try and make my own peanut butter. I've never done it before. I found a recipe, I think, off Pinterest. So let's go. I will say, first off, that my neighbor told me I needed to use roasted peanuts or boiled peanuts. I don't have boiled peanuts. I've actually never tried boiled peanuts. But I do have roasted peanuts. So the recipe calls for of 2 cups of peanuts. So here we go. Bam, 2 cups of peanuts. It also calls for 2 tablespoons of honey. I have my honey. And I'll just say about 1. I don't really like super sweet peanut butter. That's why I like ordering the organic one, because it's not as sweet as the store-bought one, because it doesn't have all the artificial or the added sugar. I shouldn't say artificial. It doesn't have all the added sugar in it, though, that other brands will put in. And the last ingredient is salt. Woo. It doesn't say how much. It just says like a dash or a sprinkle. So let's go like that. And here we go. I'm using my Ninja blender. All right. Fingers crossed. So I looked up a second recipe. And the second recipe basically has the same ingredients, just, slightly different amounts of peanuts you put in it, and it had no honey added into it. The only difference is that in the second recipe I looked up, it says it takes 8 to 10 minutes of just this part of grinding or blending, processing the peanuts, whereas the other one said it took 5 minutes. It also says to do it in 30-second intervals. That way you can let your machine rest in between. So this is the second time I've lifted the lid, and there's been like some kind of smoke-ish thing coming up. I don't know if that's the motor going out or what the deal is. But, however, I don't think I'm going to do any more. Yeah, it's really hot. So down here to the touch, it is quite warm. When I lifted the lid again, there was some smoke coming from it for a second time, and this is my only blender mixer thing, so I don't want to ruin it. So I think I'm just going to call it stops as where I'm at. Even the bottom part is hot. It was very hot when I touched it. So, I guess if you have a food processor, this would probably be maybe easier for you to do at your house. It's not going to be something I'm going to be able to do in mine. Do I think it was a waste of time and effort? Yeah, I do. I definitely feel like I spent 20 minutes working on something that wasn't fantastical. However, I do see that, it was getting to the point where it probably would have been good. I'm still going to eat this because I love peanuts and I love peanut butter. And this is actually it. I think this will be okay. Let's. That's not bad. I do think if I had faith in my machine to go a little bit longer, it probably would have been okay. I don't have faith in my machine considering how hot it was, that it looked like I had smoke coming up from here like 2 times in a row. I'm just gonna end it at that. I do think the taste is good. So I do like the recipe. I just think if I had an actual food processor, it would have been better. Well, this is something I would probably just eat in and of itself. Yeah, that's not bad. I have my mason jar, and all I'm gonna do is semi-carefully put my chunky, brittle peanut butter, my failed peanut butter, in my jar. And yeah, I'm still gonna eat it because it still tastes good. And I don't like to be wasteful. This is actually probably something I would literally just scoop out and eat too. It's got like a nice texture to it, even if it's not like peanut butter. It's still good. Here's my peanut butter. My dirty counter now. So I'm just going to put like saran wrap over the top and use one of the mason lids and just screw it on and put it in my refrigerator and call it good. Thank you for watching my fail. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.